Hello guys, welcome to today's online course in Android. So today in this tutorial we're gonna learn about something called a SeekBar. I think in previous tutorial we learned on progress bar, am I right? So today's tutorial we're gonna learn about SeekBar and how the movement is done. Okay, so set aside apart for that one thing. I hope the test was good. Many people have wrote it cleared with good marks. The people who have missed it, again this Saturday at 8:30 p.m. I've kept it for you, so you can just give an attempt there. And kindly, one more thing, kindly please write reviews and give ratings, because that will be useful for me even to put more and more courses. And also go to YouTube and click on the subscribe button, so which will also like button, which will be useful for me. So even, and also after this, at the end of the course, a day or two before, I will ask you which course you would like me to take up next, so it will be easy for you to learn more things. Okay, said that, we're gonna learn today about SeekBar tutorial. Okay, now what do you mean by a SeekBar? Okay, a SeekBar is something like an extension of your progress bar, correct? Now last tutorial we did about a progress bar, how rating bar, correct? We did about the rating bar. Now this is like a progress bar. Okay, so you gonna do about a progress bar, okay, as an exercise. Okay, so whenever you're free, so it is just like an progress bar, but it's an extension, so it will be easy for you. Once I do SeekBar to do progress bar, it adds an draggable thumb. A user can touch the thumb. Now you might have seen the SeekBar, you can just drag it like that, correct? All right, so right or left you can do that. So this is one of the very useful user interface in Android. We need to remember that, because it allows the selection of integer values using natural user interface. Okay, so we need to know that. Now there are certain methods which are involved in SeekBar. So I already created a file name called SeekB. Okay, I have not done anything here. This is a hello world, just a normal one. So we gonna write it down. So I just kept it ready because it takes time to load. Alright, now there are certain things we need to remember. We have to implement certain methods. Okay, before that we need to add a listener for that, correct? When when you touch it, when you call that particular SeekBar, it should listen to you, correct? So that's called SeekBar instance variable, which dot set on SeekBar changed when you pulling it. So there are two methods to be implemented. One is on progress change. Now when you pull it, one progress, it will happen, correct? So on start track and on start stop, so it will track it and it will stop it. So these are the two methods which will be involved. Now as we write, I will tell you the explanation of it. Okay, so in SeekBar, what we do is that, if for getting the changes in the progress, now first I will just implement a SeekBar for you. So in widgets we have got something called a SeekBar, correct? So just drag and drop the SeekBar here. So let it set it properly, the SeekBar. Okay, done. So I'll just bring it here. So SeekBar will be here, somewhere here. So if I see here, okay, so I've got SeekBar. So I'll give a name called okay, I'll give a name ID called a SeekBar. Okay, all right. So what basically it does, SeekBar, is that in SeekBar, for getting the changes, so whenever these changes are there, right, when I'm dragging and pulling it, correct, just like YouTube, you might have seen the SeekBars and progress bar, correct, we need to implement three abstract methods. Okay, one is on progress changed. Okay, so we need to remember that on progress change. So when a SeekBar is changing, okay, when the SeekBar is changed, so it has to listen to you. So now that's very important. Okay, now I will tell you now what this particular method will do. Now first we will implement SeekBar here. Okay, so we'll see here SeekBar. Okay, yes, SeekBar. Okay, and we'll take it as a SeekBar. Okay, done. Alright, now after that, what guys, we need to remember that we need to call up the ID which is there, correct? So it will be SeekBar, correct? So SeekBar is equal to our SeekBar. Okay, find view by ID, find view by ID, r dot id dot, that's it's not a layout, correct? It's not a layout, we are talking about an ID. So r dot id dot SeekBar, correct? That's the name what I gave here, correct? SeekBar. All right, so once I do that, now this is okay, I have done this much part of it. Now Now next is what? Now your SeekBar should listen to you, correct? So what this SeekBar will say, when you do anything, that is dot set what? Set what, guys? Set on SeekBar changes. You can see first only option it will give you, okay? So we have to do that. So new, okay, new, what is that? SeekBar, correct? So new SeekBar, can you see there? On Seek change listener. Okay, now this is the method, it will automatically be implemented, correct? When you do that on SeekBar change listener, you get three things. I told you three methods are there, correct? Three methods will be need to be implemented. One is on progress change, on start tracking touch, and on stop tracking touch. Now what does this on progress change do? Okay, this is a listener, okay, method which will be invoked if any changes are made in the SeekBar. Now I'm pulling the SeekBar, so when I pull it, it starts doing the progress is changed, so it will do that. Now I will tell you, when we run the program, you will come to know, correct? When I pull it, this it will come here to this particular method. It will say on progress, yet it is changed, SeekBar is changed, so it is getting to progress. All right, so now we need to write the code for that. So what are the things for it? Okay, so we just have to write a what I need. I don't want much, correct? I'll just write a toast for it. Okay, so I'll just write a toast, because when I change it, it will say that yes, it is getting to be changed. Okay, so I'll use a toast for it. Okay, all right, okay, all right. So I get application context. I'll just get the application context. Okay, all right, so I'm doing a mistake here. All right, so get application context. Okay, get that particular application context. So text I will write it as SeekBar progress. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Okay, SeekBar progress. Now if I keep it short, what will happen? Within specific time. Okay, for this let it keep short. Now same thing, we'll add a toast bar for even for the on start touching and on Seek touching, correct? So these three methods will be implemented. You need to be very careful, guys. Okay, so if your method is not implemented, it clearly says that you have not done anything. So here what we gonna say, we say instead of SeekBar, we say SeekBar touch. Okay, SeekBar touch is touch progresses, and SeekBar touch, okay, not touch progress, touch stopped, and we'll write touch started. Okay, we don't want progress. Okay, so we'll see, because it's start, right? Okay, started. Okay, all right, sorry for that. Okay, all right, so this is the only code, guys. Okay, so methods will be implemented. Okay, we don't have to do anything for it, so automatically the method will be implemented. All we need to say is, one is you have to call the id, then you have to give a seek toast, so that you will know what is happening, correct? So let us run this program. We'll come to know whether what's happening. Okay, so when we run this program, okay, Gradle will be building. It will take some time. Okay, what did I say? Three methods will be implemented. Now one is on progress change. What I said, this listener method will be invoked if any changes is made. Now what this listener method does, on start touching, it says this method will be invoked at the start of the user touch event. Okay, so whenever a user touches the thumb or for dragging, this method will be automatically called. Okay, on stop, this listener will be invoked at the end of your touch. Okay, starting, this method will be invoked, and this method will be invoked. So whenever you stop dragging, right, so then this automatically this method is called. Okay, let it get implemented. You'll come to know when the particular toast is done. Okay, all right, so you can also get the maximum value if you want for the SeekBar. Okay, programmatically in Java class you can do that. Okay, all right, so I think our activity installing. Yes, okay, great, good. All right, let it get installed. Yes, it's installing. So you can see here, guys, see, can you see it's getting highlighted, correct? It's getting the application context. All right, okay, now we have got a SeekBar here, so I can give a text here called SeekBar. Now this is my SeekBar. Now see here, guys, I'm pulling it slowly. Can you see here? SeekBar started, SeekBar progress, correct? now I didn't do anything, seek bar is touched. Okay, now if I drag it more, okay, if I drag it more, okay, it will keep on doing it. So one part, guys, we can do that. Okay, so right, yes, I think we have done that. Okay, all right, guys, that's all for on the seek bar. So in the next tutorial we're gonna learn about date and date picker or time picker, any one I'll do. Then you have to do with the what do you say, a timer picker or a data picker. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.